Good afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today over in Cadishead with this fabulous 4-bedroom family property. As you can see, you've got off-road parking for multiple cars, dip curb and gated access, fabulous family lounge, a new fitted kitchen dining space, conservatory to the rear, so additional living space to the ground floor, as well as the added convenience of a downstairs bathroom. So we'll just do the lounge first. As you can see, a really impressive size, lovely and bright, with the floods of light coming in through the conservatory, as well as a large window just behind me here. Really nice generous size, as well as the added additional living space in this conservatory. So currently used as a game room. Obviously it's a very versatile space for your own needs. Straight on through then into this beautiful modern fitted kitchen dining space. This updated in 2021. Convenience of that downstairs toilet. So we've got the integrated washing machine, dishwasher, fridge freezer, got that oven and microwave built in, the lovely electric hob. Boiler is literally just 3 months old. Beautifully presented. And then you've got your dining space here as well, but excellent storage, lovely and bright with the 2 windows, one on either side. And then as we continue up to the first floor, directly ahead of us is the family bathroom. So you've got a shower above the tub. And then just tucked around the corner is the sink and WC. 4 fantastic size bedrooms. Starting the master, which is complete with fitted wardrobes, just tucked away there above the stairs. Set back off the main road as well. And the driveway will easily accommodate the 2 cars. Into bedroom 4, another fabulous double. This though currently used as a dressing room, as you can see, overlooking the rear garden alongside this bedroom, which is the smallest of the 4. Now outside, as you can see, you've got a lovely lawn. There's paved seating area. The garden benefits from the sun. You've got lovely planted raised borders. And then lastly into the 4th and final bedroom, once again overlooking the front of the property. An incredible size, as you can see. It's a fabulous family home. Excellently located in regards to your local amenities, the transport links around here. You've got really brilliant local schools, or just a short journey from where we are. So if you're interested in taking a look at this fabulous property, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.